day 5 in Wisconsin Dells, going to Bella Goose for breakfast, and then going to Noah's Ark Water Park, America's largest water park.
There's a magnetic force that is pulling me down. Yeah, I'm trying to balance me out. My feet can't touch the ground. Yeah, I'm flying. Rapidly moving without you, I'm losing control. I need me, so baby, I have you to hold. I'm falling for your love. I'm falling for your love. For your love. Balance me out, my feet can't touch the ground. Yeah, I'm flying. If you leap off a cliff, would I jump out with you? We're free falling.
All right, who cut the cheese? Who cut it?
Green light.
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
It tastes, it smells like beef jerky.
What flavor is it?
3 pepper Gouda.
Green pepper.
Why'd you bite into it? That's wrong. It's very, very wrong.
Because it's not that type of cheese, honey. Look, you can't, it's real cheese.
It's a cheese stick, not string cheese.
You have beef jerky on. Do you feel your beef jerky?
Alright, we're off to dinner, off to Summer House Grill. Whatever we do, we're not getting any cheese curds. No cheese curds and no deep dish pizza. About to bed down. That's a wrap.